Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook a quinoa stew for our dogs. We are gonna need cooked quinoa, and don't forget to check below in my description box because there you will find all benefits about all these ingredients that I'm using today. Zucchini, cauliflower, carrots, red bell peppers, ginger, oregano, and chicken feet broth. This contains a lot of collagen. In a pot, we are going to add the chicken feet broth, and also the quinoa cooked, like a full cup. Also the carrots and the red bell peppers because they take time to cook. We are going to add the ginger and oregano, and we are going to mix well. Add a pinch of turmeric, and let's cook it for a few minutes. A few minutes have already passed, and when the stew starts to bubble, we are going to move from time to time. Now I'm going to add the cauliflower and also the zucchini. If you think you have to add more broth, add it, or you can also add more water if you want. I will cover it and I'm going to let it cook over low heat until the cauliflower and zucchini are fully cooked. Now I'm going to puree the cauliflower a little, and that's it. I'm going to place my dog's food in a container to store in the fridge. But I'm going to separate a portion to give her now. And right here you have the candies portion of this delicious quinoa stew. And let's see if my dog accepts it. She's Candy, my coton de Tulear, just in case if you are new here. And I will give her a few spoons. And then she will eat alone in her place. Guys, I hope you like this recipe. If you are new here, please subscribe, thumbs up, and don't forget to check below in my description box because there you will find all benefits about all these ingredients that I'm using today. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.